Hello everyone, today I'm going to color this makeup vanity table. Let's start. Red, green, let's color the drawers now. Pink, blue, yellow, orange, purple, let's color this small stool. Red, green. It's time to color all these makeup things. Blue, yellow, purple, orange, pink, green, red. I'm going to color the lipstick red, purple, pink, green, purple, orange, red, green. Let's color this pump bottle blue, pink. Now I'm going to color this makeup palette, yellow. I'm going to color the vanity mirror now, pink. It's time for some glitters now. I'm going to color the makeup palette glittery, red, orange glitter, green, yellow. Let's color the mirror lights also glittery, red, green, purple, blue, yellow, orange. This is a colorful makeup vanity table. Let's switch on the mirror lights. Look, the mirror is shining now. Let's color the mirror blue. It looks so colorful and pretty. Bye bye, see you next time.